This is my Ariens ST824 snowblower. I bought it for about 150, 175 bucks a couple years ago. It works great. I have no complaints about it. The shear pins keep breaking off, but that's my own fault. There's the last shear pin to fall out. It's a Husqvarna bolt. Here's my trusty pillow so I can work on the ground without freezing off my knees. Here's the Husqvarna shear pin. It fits, but it just doesn't stick far enough through. I can engage a couple threads, but that's enough to not to hold it in place. The problem with the Husqvarna is that it has this shoulder. So I'm going to take that to my lathe and cut off that shoulder. This is the Husqvarna version with the shoulder. Here it is without the shoulder. It's gone through the lathe.